Hi and welcome to another video of Type with me. In this video we'll see how we can use union types within Typescript. So first of all I'm going to declare a function called write. It has a parameter text of type string, and we do a console.log of text, right? And then we do write some text. So now we can execute this. And now we can execute this program with node dot, and we get some text, right? This is very easy. So now let me show you what a union type is. Well, imagine we want to write text or as of type string, or we want to write an array of strings to the console, right? Well, we can very easily do that with union types. And this is the symbol to declare a union. And then we can do string of type array, right? So now when text is of type string, we do just console.log of text, right? And otherwise and then here we do return, and otherwise we will do console.log of text dot join. So now we can here write an array of strings. So now we can use this method with some text and with an array of strings. And that's nice, right? Alright, let's build this. And now we can use this with node dot, and we have some text and an array of strings. Another great use case of union types is the following use case. We want to write something to the console, but we want to control it. So we want to send, for example, OK, or we want to send warning, or we want to send that we have an error, right? So now when we are going to use write limit and we want to say some text, you will see that the compiler is complaining because it says that it needs to be OK, warning, or error. So in this case we can limit our string of these three values, right? So we can write here OK, and it's OK. When we build our project now, and we use our project, we see that it prints out OK, some text, and an array of string. Awesome. So we learned how to use union types. So here, when we want to have the possibility to have either a string here in text or an array of strings, we can use this syntax. When we want to limit our text to OK, warning, and error, we can use this syntax. I hope you learn a lot. I say subscribe to my channel to learn more about TypeScript and web programming.